Hey everyone, so welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create a simple contact form like this. You can see my contact form here, and I'm going to show you how you can create a simple contact form like this using for your WordPress website using a free plugin called WPForms. Okay, so the first step is really simple. If you do not have this plugin installed, go to plugins, go to add new, and from here search for WPForms, and okay, you will see the first option here. This is the WP form, and you can see here I already have it installed on my site and activated. So I'm sure you're already familiar with the process of installing plugins. So all you have to do is simply click here, install, and then activate. Okay, once you are done with that, done activating, what you have to do is on the left sidebar here you will be able to see this option, WP forms. Okay, and if you have not created a single form before, then you will have to go to add new. Okay, but if you have created a form, you can see all your created existing forms here by clicking on this option, all forms. So here you can see these two forms I already have it activated on my site, and it is using the free version, and I'm not using any paid premium features, you can see here. But if you like, you can upgrade. I think this is a great plugin. And if you want to create a new form, you have to you can click on this add new option here, or you can simply click on this add new. Both will take you to the same page. Okay, once you click on it, first thing you have to do is click your form name. For example, I will name it contact form tutorial. Okay, and then the next step is we have to select what kind of form it will be. The first is a blank form. Okay, and you can use a drag and drop builder. And the second is simple contact form, which we will use, we want to create. Third is newsletter, sign up form, suggestion form. Okay, so these are the pre-created templates, so it will make your task easy. So if you want to create your own from scratch, either you can upgrade or there are multiple options here. Okay, so for that you will have to upgrade, or you can use the blank form. So for now, this tutorial we are going to create a simple contact form. You can also see this option of blank form here. Okay, so let's first create a simple contact form. Okay, and once you click on it, here you will see this template. This is already created by WPForm plugin, and this is the template, name, first and last, email, comment and message, and then a submit button. While this is I think this will be able to fill the needs of most of the simple site owners, but I will show you how you can modify it and customize it. Okay, we already have this. If you want to edit anything, just click on this option, click to edit, and drag to reorder. Okay, so here if you click on this, here you can change, modify and customize the field options. For example, in the name here you can change like your name or something like that, but I think your just name is fine. And the format, you can also modify this, first and last name. If you want first, middle and last name. If you only want a simple form, like user can enter whatever they want. So I will just keep it first and last. And here in the description, this is the description. Okay, first and last. Here you can see if I modify or write anything, it will appear here. So I think this is already perfect, and we do not need to modify it. And yes, it is make sure to take this option required, that it is a mandatory field, and users filling this contact form cannot skip it. If you want, you can select the simple format, name format. I think that's fine for unless you have a support kind of website, so it's up to you. I will keep it like this. And if you go to advanced options, you can change the field size, small, medium, large. Okay, medium is fine. And in the placeholder, what you can do is like please enter your name here, enter your full name here. Okay, it will appear here, and okay, like it will not be in the form, but when user will click, user will see the instructions basically. And that's it. You can also put a default value here, and see as the hide label, hide sub labels. We do not need this option for this. Okay, so let's go to the next option, email. Okay, email is also perfectly fine. You can also enter description. Instead I would go to yes, it is required, and enable email confirmation. It is basically that they will have to write it twice, like you get like a password, confirm your password, so they do not by mistake there is some typo. So for that they will have to enter their email twice. Okay, you can enable that if you want. Again, it's up to you. In advanced option, you can put here like we do not send spam. Okay, something like that. And please enter your email again. Okay, like this. You can make it large, so the full placeholder text will be visible. Okay, I think this is fine. And similarly, you can modify the description here, like email, like you can change it to email address. Okay, and and now if you want to add more options here, what you can do is like put a drop down option here. You can just drag and drop everything here. Let's say okay, let's edit it and make the first choice. Let's say it is for a support kind of request. Let's say for departments, to which department they want to send support, sales. Okay, and third will be escalation. Okay, so here I will show you. Yes, it is required. So this will be the default. Okay, I will show you after creating this form. The drop down menu is not working anyway. And again, go to advanced options. You can see there is no need for placeholder text in this. Okay, so we can fix like create drop down menu option like this. And here you can instead of drop down, obviously we want to edit it. I will enter department. Okay, and similarly let's add another field. Okay, let's put a checkbox here. Let's edit it. The first option would be, let's say we want to priority, low, high, urgent. So if it is kind of for a ticket kind of contact form, you can add this option like priority, how much priority, how high priority it is, and it is required, so it is mandatory to tick. And again, let's see if we can multiple choices. Okay, I think this is decent. So if you want more options, you can select here. You have single line text, paragraph text like this. If you want to delete, if I delete it, so if you want to add that, you will have to put paragraph text here. Okay, so here you can see comment. Okay, instead comment, let's write message. Okay, so write your message here. And let's go to advanced. We can place text, right? Like please enter your message here. Okay, and that's it. And also there's a reCAPTCHA option, so if you want to add a captcha you can do that here. Again, okay, it is not configured right now, so you will have to get API key and also, and I would recommend you to avoid it because it can be annoying. So as you can see, we have created quite a decent contact form, and I've shown you multiple options, and so this is how you can edit it. And if you want more fancy fields like phone number, address, date, time, website URL, file upload, password, and all this stuff, you can see there are a lot of stuff here. For this you will have to upgrade to the premium version. So but for most users, if you just want a simple form, I think this should be enough for you. And I have shown you options how to customize it and everything, and everything is customizable. You can edit the name here, just click on it and you can edit here. You can also provide a description, and here you will see multiple options: enable anti-spam protection, dynamic field population, and all that stuff. And you can also change the submit button text, right? Like I think submit is, and then submitting process text, you can also do that. Okay, and if you go to notifications, you can select the notification you will get. Okay, so whenever someone enters this fills this contact form, you will get a message from WordPress to your email ID like this. Okay, and confirmation, this will be the default message the users who have filled the contact form will get. You can customize this message again. Like I think the default message is quite okay. Thank you for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. I think this is perfectly fine. And automatically scroll to the confirmation message. And if you want to show them a different page, like you have a confirm page like a confirmation about page or checkout contact or anything like this, after they fill the form, you can redirect them there. Or if you want to redirect them to some URL, you can also do that here. Okay, so there are multiple options. It is very customizable, and if you want to add a new confirmation, you can also do that. I think this is perfectly fine. Let's save it. Okay, and now let's embed it. Let's create a new page. Okay, or you can also copy the code here. So let's use this option, create new page, and I will name it contact form page tutorial. Okay, and then click on let's go. Okay, let's close this, and you can see contact form page tutorial. This is the contact form, and let's publish it. So now let's view this page, and this is how it looks. This is a perfectly fine. Please enter your name here, like test name, then email address, guides plus test@gmail.com, and I will have to enter the same email again, best guides plus gmail.com. And in the department, I want to send it to you. You can see the drop down menu is working here. I want to send it to the escalation sales department, and the priority is low, and the message is this is a test message from WPForms for sales inquiry. So let's click on submit here, and you can see here, thank you for contacting us, we will be in touch with you shortly. And it automatically scrolled to the message, so you can see that's how it works. And let's check my email if I got it. Yes, okay, let's refresh it again, but unfortunately this also landed in the spam folder. So you can see here, test name, this is the email address, department sales, priority low, and in the message here you can see this is a test message from WPForms for sales inquiry. And you can see here our website URL sent from Best WP Guide Store. Okay, so and if you want to learn how to make sure that all your emails go to your inbox, I already have created a tutorial about it, and I will put a link to that. For that we will be using the WP Mail SMTP plugin, and it's also again completely free. So for that we will be using Google API, and that will make sure that all your emails go straight to inbox and not to spam. So I will provide a link to that link to that video in the description, and also probably that video will be right now on your screen. You should be able to see the link for that. So I hope you found this tutorial useful, and if you did, please leave a like and post your feedback in the comments if you liked it, or if I should make some improvement. I'm sure there's some issue with my mics right now, so the voice quality may not be so great, but but I try to improve it. So please try to manage with that, and if you have any other suggestion or feedback, post in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.